All right, YouTube, so this is a pretty big one right here. And I think I'm gonna try to bomb it right in between the corner of that clothesline pole and the corner of the shed there. So, see how she goes here. Right eye down there? What we're after today, YouTube, is gumball tree. You guys probably seen the 2 cypress trees already, you know. We actually got 3 of the 4 trees done yesterday. You can see the cypress trees. We got one right here, one right here. This is the big gum tree we're doing today. But you know, I did a little bit of work without you guys, okay? Or we did a lot of work yesterday. Did a little work without you too. So we did this gumball tree. It was just kind of like a slash and bash kind of deal, you know what I mean? Just kind of threw it on the ground at the end of the day. It was getting dark. We got out of here, got her done. But we're gonna bring you along in this sweet gum here today. It's gonna be kind of interesting because it's really kind of blocked up against the house here, or the shed here, and got the house here. Got a few little obstacles there, you know, we got to watch out. So we're gonna bring you guys along. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you at the top. We probably ought to move that barbecue grill. YouTube, so we got our rigging set up here, got it ran down there. We're probably going to clear that first, I'd say, then we'll probably swing these around over in yonder. Got my climbing line tied in right here, ran to a redirect here, so we'll basically be swinging around from this. I'm thinking I'm going to move it up to like right here, so we'll do that, then I'll start swinging this stuff around. Yeah, that looks much better. I like that. And it's on the back side of our rigging, so we have nothing to worry about there, you know. Primary is set off the rigging. Secondary is on the rigging spar. So gotta watch them gumball seeds, YouTube. In fall, wintertime, and gumball seeds that get in your eyes every time. Every time. Okay, YouTube, so we started out like, you know, regular rigging. And then I decided these ones over the shed, like especially this one and this one, they're kind of low. Like, so if I cut them here, they're just gonna tip down, and I'm kind of worried about the corner down there. So we stuck some speed line straps on them, 2 here. Then we're gonna speed line this big one as well. Them guys really had to put some grunt on it, but we'll put it around the tree or something here. So, yeah. James has got the other end of the porter wrap cleated off down there, okay? So it yeah. A little bit of gummosis on that branch there, YouTube. Sapping up. Anyways, we're up here in that one really long fellow. We are getting him now. But I'm gonna go back down yonder and make the cut. That is the plan. And I have that underneath my climb line so it don't put a strain down on here, you know. So when it swings out that way, them guys should be able to have it. And it shouldn't affect my climb line any. Okay, so it's up there. I'm here. We're gonna make the cut. It's probably gonna graze that clothesline pole. It's all steel. It should be okay, I would think. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, very nice, gentlemen. Man, YouTube, we're way out on this limb here now. We're getting ready to do some standard regular rigging. That's what we got planned, so yeah. Get this tied in here, YouTube. We're gonna rig her down. This tree will come down. Ready? Hold that, don't lower it, don't lower it. Okay, you're good. Malfunctioned here, YouTube. Hold on a minute, hold on just 1 second. Still didn't go right. Stob. That's why you cut off your stobs, YouTube, right there. It's all right, land it, Gus. Go ahead, grab it. Grab the tips and pull her out. Make the butt go towards the chipper if you can. Very nice. Good job. Minor malfunction there, YouTube. Whew. We'll have that every once in a while on them big jobs, ain't that right? Fell off and got stuck on this 1-inch stob right here, and then it fell again and got stuck on that 2-foot stob right there. Yes, sir. Very nice, Gus. Very nice. Very nice. No. Yeah. All right, YouTube, so this is a pretty big one right here. And I think I'm gonna try to bomb it right in between the corner of that clothesline pole and the corner of the shed there. So, see how she goes here. Red eye down there? Went right in there, thank goodness. Man, woo, that took a lot out of the tree.